take a look at your very first client. What did you learn from that?
I've learned so much over the years, but way back when it was like, if you're not throwing up in a bucket in my class, I haven't done my job, right? If you're not calling me the next day with the most DOMs you've ever had, delayed onset muscle soreness, then I haven't done my job, right? And if people don't leave my class just looking like I've just killed them, I've learned so much since then. I mean, the opposite is true. Here's another thing too, is back then I had no idea what good nutrition was. Since then, my husband is now a holistic nutritionist. Our One Day to Wellness program is teaching people how to live a life that's really focusing on the food, and food is so very important. So if I would say to my client back then, I'd say, what's the most important thing? Food. Let's look at your food first, and then your exercise and your sleep and your stress and all that. But really, food is number one.